Hi viewers, myself Sheikh Mohammed. I am currently working in a .NET developer in Spira group of companies. We will see on our project. Trust management for defending on-off attacks. In this paper we see about trust management scheme can be used to aid an automated decision making process for an access control policy. Since temporary errors possible, the trust management solution must provide a scheme to allow nodes to recover trust. However, if a malicious node tries to malicious behaviors or international temporary errors, the malicious node may be given more opportunities to attack the system, distributing the schemes. Existing trust management schemes, the employee redemption schemes. Next, we will see on existing system. Trust management schemes aim to improve collaborative between entities in a distributed system, predicting future behaviors of peer based on their previous behavior. However, no trust management scheme is able to discriminate between temporary errors on the on-off attacks. The previous technique is employee redemption schemes. The employee redemption scheme failed to disclaim between temporary errors and distinct malicious behavior in which the attackers cleverly behave well and badly alternatively. The drawback: there are many trust management schemes that do not employ and redemption at all. Applying trust in such system can be quite complex. Next, we will see on proposed system. In this system, problem identifying malicious node perform n good behaviors of m bad behaviors. Alternating, we refer this system on-off attacks. Users compilations of direct, indirect evaluations of reduce the trust of on-off attacks to lower than the trust of other neighboring normal nodes. Next, we will see on trust-based redemption. In this technique, this is able to predict future trust values based on past behavior with the efficient and flexible decision. The goal of this scheme threefold. The main advantage of this on-off attacker did not have the opportunity to continue these attacks. We present a new, difficult to flexible trust management scheme that detects and defends against the on-off attacks. Next, we will see on overall diagrams. In this diagram, this is one server. We will connect the all system in the single server. Then if we send the sender to receiver, some packet will drop. We can identify when we will send sender to receiver. Some fake one hop path destination to get file the access. We can check the validation, so valid multiple hop path. Next, we will move on software and hardware requirements. Software requirements: operating system Windows 7 and Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 and front-end ASP.NET, coding language C# and backend SQL Server 2008. Hardware requirement: processor Pentium dual core, hard disk 40 GB, mouse Logitech and RAM 2 GB. Future enhancements: in this future work, we plan to implement PT in other types of collaborative networks. For the example, if a network is monitored by the centralized system, the PT might helpful for preventing sudden black of faulty detections. Thank you for watching.